Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon we will discuss about the wiring diagram of three-way switch for fluorescent lamp. This is our supply uh, current line 1 and line 2 or ground or neutral. This is line side, this is load side, this is safety switch. Then ang ating line 1 connected sa three-way switch number 1, common. O ang A natin terminal sa three-way switch na number 1 connected sa other A terminal sa three-way switch number 2. O ang yung B terminal connected sa B terminal sa switch three-way switch number 2. O ang iyang common connected sa balas. O ang iyang balas connected sa other terminal sa fluorescent lamp. Naka-series sa starter, then other terminal sa starter, naka-series sa other terminal sa fluorescent lamp. O ang iyang connected patungo sa line 2 sa safety switch. Other wiring diagram of three-way switch, parallel connection for incandescent lamp. This is line side, line 1, line 2, or ground or neutral. This is a safety switch. This is the load side. Connected sa ating common sa switch, three-way switch number 1. O ang A connected sa other terminal sa three-way switch number 2. O ang B connected sa other B terminal sa three-way switch number 1 o connected sa B terminal sa switch number 2. O ang iyang common naka-connected siya sa bulb 1 and bulb 2 in series connection, and the other terminal sa bulb 1 o bulb 2 naka-series siya para maging parallel siya connection. Then connected together para sa line 2 terminal sa safety switch. Bible verse of the day, 1 Timothy 2 verse 5. For there is one God and one mediator between God and men, the man Christ Jesus. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.